Listen to a secret video, a deep secret video, a video Nnamdi somebody si popular this video. Ebe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-agwa ndị mmadụ the evil role, the evil game Orji Kalu played. The way Orji Kalu si try here, God deceive onye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And the papa na mama Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka o wee give up the struggle. Nkwa niile Orji Kalu kwelu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu papa ya na mama ya before fa nwụọ. Ị ga this video, ị ga-achọpụta na onye abụ the main problem ndị Igbo nwere. Nwoke ahụ abụ a threat to ndị Igbo. Gee ntị ebe a ka ị nụrụ ife Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-agwa ndị Igbo.
They sent Orji Kalu to come to me. First to my parents. My father said no. My mother said no. That where I stand is where they stand, in life or in death. They came to prison. I was even from DSS dungeon. The promises came. The vice president, anything you want. You have a very beautiful wife, you better go and enjoy her than being in prison. Anything you want. And I said no. That what I want is a referendum to determine if you people want to be part of the zoo or part of Nigeria or part of Biafra. Choose one, zoo or Biafra. They said no. And Sibaga tried to make contact. When I came out, I don't know if I've told this story before actually. And Ohaneze hijacked it. I went to see Nwodo in his house. We sat down, had lunch together. And I told him what my conditions were to lift the boycott in Anambra State, which they couldn't meet. And I said to Nwodo very simply, go to Abuja and tell these people that these are what our people are asking for. I said to him, go and bring us something. Not for me, for everybody. He went there and started negotiating for a ministerial position for one of the children. I'm telling you what I'm saying is fact, ask him. Somebody asked him, but you people are being called to Aso Rock because of Nnamdi Kanu. Why didn't you tell him that you're going to Aso Rock? He said it is for Igbo leaders. And once the powers that be knew that he hadn't IPAB support, they just gave them 5 million naira for transport and dismissed them. Hadn't Nwodo remained with me. When the governors called me, I told them the same thing in front of Professor Ben Wabese. They said, oh, but Nwodo, Soludo, Brahman is upstairs. Do I want him to come? I said, no. Government house, the former DSS director came with his bags of money in euros, in white sacks to bribe. Ask anybody working in government house in England. I said, no, I don't want to see them. Not because I want to be the only cock crowing, no. Because of consistency. Can you last? When you are tempted, are you going to succumb? Can you sustain this very effort we're making? So they have come. And I gave them my conditions which they can never meet. Open Warri Seaport, open Ibocha Seaport, open Calabar Seaport. Make Enugu an international airport where we can fly to US and come in at will. Build Ibocha Enugu, Onitsha Enugu Express Road. Complete second Niger Bridge. Simple. This thing is difficult.
No.
As I'm telling you this, go and ask them in Aso Rock if your friends there. They have the piece of paper I gave to them. They ran away. Because some evil men were busy gossiping, saying if you allow him, when he finishes fighting Nigeria, he will come here and fight us and kill all of us. That's what they said. And you know what another thing they said? They told every Igbo billionaire around the world that nobody should give me one dime. Ask them that if you give Nnamdi Kanu money, he will go and buy weapons. That nobody should give me anything. anything. I'm going behind a capital. That we are here by the grace of Elohim, not by any of our strength, to be honest with you. Any day we consider the world will know. How do you want Canada to regard the Biafra referendum or even USA? The people that the ambassador knows are the governors or maybe the people will not hear that the British government went to Biafra and when I was in prison. Oh my goodness. The British High Commissioner was touring everywhere. When they wanted to kill me, went to Obi of Onitsha and asked him, what do we do to Nnamdi Kanu? That one said you can kill him if you want. They went to Atusia told them you can never touch him. If you touch him, this person will come. How many times has the US government been to Enugu? They go to Ohaneze. I saw, I don't want to say. They went to Ohaneze and the governor, they asked them, what do you want? Oh, leave those rascals, leave them. Miscreants. We want restructuring. What they're asking for is untenable. But the same man said if there is no restructuring, they'll join IPOB to do Biafra, isn't it? Did he complete what he said? No. Is he doing what he said he's going to do? And you want me to work with these people? I say, everything I do, I say it in the open. Not that I'll become Biafra president. No. So that I can take Nnia and Nnabi back to the land of his ancestors. To that same land that you could tell them, I said, you people must be here.